What's up, guys? Josh here again, bringing you guys another pack opening. I was able to get my hands on 4 of the new 2020-2021 NBA hoops. So obviously we're looking for our boy Lamelo Ball, but let's see if we're lucky. Dude, what the hell? There we go. Oof. Right off the... Oh, no, Triple J. I thought that was a Ja. But we got Triple J. Joe Ingles. Ooh, we got a Kobe White. Marquise Chris. We got a Shake Milton. Honestly, I have no idea how to pronounce that, but he's a rookie. Kira Lewis Jr. and Precious. All right. Put our highlights here, rookies here, and everything else here. I'm not gonna lie, these feel kind of flimsy, like cheap. I don't know, NBA hoops, come on. You can do better than that. All right, first pack, not looking good. All right, Jeremy Lamb, Terry Rozier, yo, good player. Josh Richardson, OG Anunoby, Robert Covington, Kevin Love. Ooh, the Ant-Man. No way. I forgot my penny sleeves and stuff, but in a top loader, but he's going in one. So we'll put you off to the side. And then Emmanuel Quickly. Nice. All right. Okay, so we got the Ant-Man. 2 more cards left. Or 2 more packs left. We got Jeff Teague. Got traded to the Celtics, though. Harrison Barnes. Rudy Gobert. Jared Hovler. Frank Ntilikina. Courtside. Damian Lillard. We got a Tyler Bay. Okay, not bad. And Shadid Bay. I don't think they're related, but that's pretty cool. Last pack, guys. Come on, Lamelo. I know you're in here. Come on, Lamelo. Come on. All right, Torrey Craig. Christian Wood. We got Alfred Payton. Alex Caruso. Chris LeVert. Ooh, James Wiseman. Damn, no Lamelo. All right. Well, not bad. No autos either. No real blow-ups, but the Kevin Love one isn't too bad. I don't know what. It's purple. Kevin Love purple. Okay. But that's about it on this pack. Yeah, I'll keep the Kevin Love ones. I mean, we got the courtside. We got the who's got next with James Wiseman. It's not bad. And we got who's got next with Shadig. I have no idea. Bay. And then the court side with Damian Lillard. So, and then, you know, the Ant-Man, Anthony Edwards. All right, guys. That is it for this video. A little short one. Just 4 packs. Nothing exciting. But, you know, I'm still getting packs, still collecting. So there will be more videos. So make sure to hit the subscribe button with click the bell for notifications. I mean, I know there wasn't much in this video, but a like would be appreciated. And until next time.